To change oil in Mercedes metris, you are going to need a 27mm socket just like that, 5-inch husky extension. I'm not sure the size of this, it looks like 1/2 inch to me, maybe more, maybe less. A small flat to remove the O-rings, and a little bit bigger flat funnel. So I'm using this, I don't know what's it called exactly, I got it off Amazon for 100 something bucks. The amount of oil that I have in the car fits here, I think up to here, so I have another extra quart. Hey, how are you, man? My UPS guy is here. Mercedes metris with my engine uses 8 quarts with new filter. 8 quarts with new filter. So like I said, I'm using this one. It uses the smallest tube, inserts where the dipstick is. So you basically would insert it through here. It goes to the oil pan down there and it sucks the oil out. Now I already changed it. I changed it already. I mark it. Changed it at 35,166. Type of oil, filter new O-rings, and amount of oil. To remove this air filter, you remove this nut, bolt, and this right here. You remove it and you unplug it. You insert the screwdriver here and it's gonna come out. Then you remove the air filter itself and you have the oil filter down there. It doesn't focus, but anyway, it's down there. And that's it. Suck up the oil, put back the same one, and this is it. This is my 35,000 mile Mercedes metris. This one is extended, so this is not a short. You can tell by here. Usually the regular metris, the wheel starts here. If it's extended, it's gonna have this. That's the only way to tell. What can I say about this car? I drove it for 35,000 miles. Well, it's a good car. Good one. I got it when I had electrical business. Then I was doing power washing business. Now I'm a truck driver. So this is like a car that I use for my needs. Time to time I installed LED lights, so it's nice and bright in here. That's it. I installed the dash cam. Dash cam is what's the name of it? It's Dazzle. Garmin. Yeah, Garmin makes it. Garmin is the brand. It's a little bit messy here to clean up. The problem with this one is, to me it looks like the alignment, the wheel alignment is bad. So I already did tire rotation. I switched the tires from the back, I put them to the front. The ones that are on the back, it looks like it eats it from the side. So this is the tire that was in the front. You see it eats it here. No protector, but the other side is fine. So I think it's the alignment. it.
6x6s, 2x12s. Knocked it out.